So my congressman is Congressman Patrick Vargas. So I'm appealing to you, Congressman Vargas, na please listen to our pleas. I have a lot of friends in Quezon City, particularly in District 5, who are in the same situation as me, solo parent or separated. Um, pero hindi naman yun, hindi siya naging hadlang para masira ang buhay ng mga pamilya namin. So we would always see each other, no? Pero sana naman sa mga tulad namin na matagal nang hiwalay at wala nang tsansa na maayos pa ang pagsasama with our ex-spouses. Bigyan nyo kami ng chance to move on with our lives peacefully. And we all know naman kasi, di ba, na hangga't kasal ka, legally married ka, at may kapirasong papel, everything that I would be able to raise for myself and my children, and even the benefits that we can get from the government, meron siya doong habol. And what if something happens to me? Ano ang makukuha ng mga anak ko? Eh, mas malaki yung magiging parte niya. So only a 10%, like sa SSS, only a 10% of the benefit would go to my children. If they are minor, o isa na lang po ang minor ko. So, please allow us to have divorce so that we can move on legally. Para mas maayos. My ex-husband, who is also from your district, he has already a family of his own. So, bigyan din natin siya ng kalayaan na maging masaya. At kahit naman na matagal na kami hiwalay, I would also pray for him and his family because he is part of my children. Hindi ko na yan maitatanggi o mawawala. And I'm also happy no na because of the experiences that I experienced, no, I became wiser and stronger. And my children and I became closer. So what we have now is because of what we experienced in our family long ago. And for Congressman Olivares of Parañaque. So, all my children are your constituents. And gusto ko mang lumipat ng magparehistro dito. Apakahirap po kasi ng paiba-iba. So, please listen to our situation. How my children um, studied in your college, in your family college. No? So, naging okay naman po sila. Nakagraduate po sila. Meron na criminologists from your school. So, wala kaming hinanakit pagdating sa separation or tinatawag nilang broken family because we are much more happier and we have more peace of mind. Siguro kung nagstay pa kami sa marriage na yon, nagstay pa ako sa marriage na yon, baka napariwara na yung mga anak ko at hindi nakapagtapos sa inyong kolehiyo. So, Congressman, I know you are happily married, your families are very close-knit, but please, for people like us, listen to our pleas kasi hindi naman po para sa lahat ang divorce. So, para po sa amin na nangangailangan, pagbigyan niyo naman po kami. And if you have the chance to have a time with Divorce Filipinas Coalition, we would gladly sit with you to explain why divorce is needed in our country. Thank you po. Thank you po, Congressman Vargas. The same po, sana magkaroon po kami ng chance to meet with you so that you would also hear our pleas and the pleas of millions of Filipinos na nangangailangan po ng divorce. Yan. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo, Congressman Olivares and Congressman Vargas. And